Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone and my little kids. I hope you all doing well. I'm your teacher Tashween and today I am here for your English lecture. So my little kids, in today's lecture we are going to talk about our body parts. We are going to learn their names and also we are going to talk about our new letter. Okay, that is letter G. So my little kids, get ready for your circle time. Okay, my little kids, in our circle time, what we are going to learn our phonics. Okay, so we are going to sing a phonics song. Let's sing with me.
For apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for no. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for question, question. R is for ring, ring. S is for sun, sun. T is for train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. And X is for box, box. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zoo, zoo. So many things for you to learn about, so many ways to sing your song. So many things for you to learn about, so many ways to sing your song.
I hope my little kids you enjoyed your phonics song and now we are going to talk about our new letter. Okay, that is letter G. Okay, so my little kids, get ready. We are going to learn our letter G. Kids, here is letter G. Okay, you can see uppercase G and the lowercase d. Although they look different but they make same sound. Okay, let's start. How will you write this one? Okay, we do remember that we always start from the top, so put your finger over here. First we are going to trace this one and then we are going to do the practice on our whiteboard. So my little kids, you always start from the top. Here put your finger over here and we are going to start from this point. Okay, start from the top, take a turn, go around, then go up and make a line in the middle. Okay, start from the top, take a round, go down, then go up and line in the middle. It's an uppercase G. And for lowercase g, we are going to start from this point, okay? Start from this, make a small k, then go up, come down, and small hook. Okay, it's a lowercase g. Again, start from this point, trace, okay, start from this start, make a small k, then go back to the top, come down and make a small hook. It's a lowercase g. Okay, here is uppercase g and here is lowercase g, and they make same sound, that is g, g. Okay, g, g, g. Okay, my little kids, now we are going to do the practice of tracing letter G. Okay, here is uppercase G and here is lowercase g. So put your pencil over here on this dot from the top and start tracing one by one. Come down, okay, and joining the dots carefully, then come down, take around and go up, okay, and then line across the middle, that is uppercase G. And for lowercase g, we are going to start from this point, okay, make a small k, okay, joining the dots, make a small k, then go back to the top and come down, then make a small hook. It's a lowercase g, uppercase g and a lowercase g. The sound of g is g, although they look different but they make same sound. Okay, my little kids, we are going to learn our vocabulary words of letter G. So get ready. You have to repeat, listen and then repeat. Okay, my kids. It's a letter G. Okay, G, G, grapes. G, G, grapes. G, G, grapes. G, G, goat. G, G, goat. G, G, goat. G, G, gate. G, G, gate. G, G, gate. G, G, girl. G, G, girl. G, G, girl. Now G, G, grass. G, G, grass. G, G, grass. Okay, so my little kids, you have to listen and repeat. Okay, my little kids, get ready for your letter chant, and we are going to do letter chant A through G. Okay, so get ready. For letter A, Adam's apple, A. Adam's apple, A. Adam's apple, A. B, B, bugs, B, B, bugs, B, B, bugs. C, C, cut, C, C, cut, C, C, cut. D, D, dance, D, D, dance, D, D, dance. E, A, elbow, E, A, elbow, E, A, elbow. Okay. F, fist, F, fist, F, fist. G, guitar, G, guitar, G, guitar. Okay, now you are doing good job.
Try this. Here we go.
Shake your head, Prickly.
And point to your tummy. Clap your hands, Fifi.
And stamp your feet. Flap your arms, Benny.
Oh. Hey. Hey.
And bend your legs.
Hey. Hey. I'm a bird!
Very good, Benny.
Okay, my little kids, now we are going to talk about our body parts and learn their names. Okay, so you have to listen and repeat. Head, eyes, nose, mouth, arms, hands, tummy, legs, feet. Okay? Okay, my little kids, it's page number 26 from your activity book, and today you are going to do this activity. As earlier we have talked about our body parts and learn their names. Now what you have to do, you have to match these body parts with each other. Okay, we are going to find out the same body parts from these two types of pictures. Okay, here are the pictures given on the top and here are the pictures given, so we have to match the same body part from these lines. Okay, so from these pictures, and so first we are going to start from this head. Okay, here is the head. We are going to find out the same body part. We are going to find out head over here. So is this a head? No. Is this a head? No. Is this a head? Yes. So we are going to draw a line to match head to head. Okay. For the next one, here is the tummy. You can see the tummy. Okay. Is this a tummy? Yes. So we are going to match with it because it's the same body part. Now you can see the arms. Here are the arms. So we are going to find out same body part. I can see arm over here. So draw a line to match with it. Next one. Come to the next one. Hands. You can see the hands here. Okay. And we also going to find out hands. Is this a hand? Okay. Are these hands? No. Are these hands? No. Yes. Over here we can find out the same body part. Okay. Here are the legs. You can see the legs. Okay. And I can see legs over here. It's the same body part, so we are going to match with it. And you can see feet. Okay. And I can see feet over here. So these are the same body part. We are going to match with it. So my little kids, complete this page and learn the names. Okay. I hope you enjoyed today's lecture. So take care of yourself. Bye bye. Bye bye.